Today I've got an iPhone 8 Plus in beautiful red that has seen better days. The screen no longer displays and the back is busted. I'm also testing out some new recording equipment for this video. There are two pentalobe screws at the bottom, just like every iPhone. This screen is really messy, and it's no doubt going to make my desk messy. I'll use a metal pry tool to work my way around the edges of the screen. There it goes, a fountain of glass. Awesome. Let's get the screen up and open. Chop away the stringy adhesive and start to remove the 4 Phillips screws securing the shield to the board. Disconnecting the battery is pretty important, but I forgot to press record on that, so we're going on faith from here on out, but you know it's my thing. A tiny shield held in with 2 tri-wings keeps the selfie camera flexed in place. Going to just take a moment for these shards of glass. That's better. The ear speaker shield is held tight with 5 more screws. Then the ear speaker itself can be removed. The home button below is shielded and held in with 4 more tri-wings and a single Phillips for the LCD shield that needs to be removed over. I'll never get all this glass cleaned up. After some heat to remove the home button, it can be fed through the hole of the new screen and into its new home. I'll replace the 4 screws securing the shield, then the single Phillips off to the left. The ear speaker and proximity flex are aligned in the top of the screen and sandwiched together with this shield. I'll get those screws tightened back in. Time to connect the new screen, starting with the proximity flex. Normally I'd replace the water-resistant adhesive around the frame. I usually do that off camera, but given the amount of missing glass from this, it's anything but water-resistant now. The display connector shield gets screwed back into place. Then I can slip the proximity shield back up top and tighten those 2 tri-wings. I'll get the screen pressed firmly back into the frame and get those 2 pentalobes back in the bottom. This one's all fixed up and ready to go. Thanks for joining me. Let me know what you thought in the comments below, and I'll catch you next time.